students. This is the topic which I am going to take today is for both standard 6th also and standard 7th also. Yes, we are going to start bar graph, and for standard 7th it is join bar graph. So graph is used to collect information in picture form. In previous standard you were having pictograph. Pictograph is used to collect information in picture form. Means one picture can tell you many things. You can tell from one picture. There are many types of graphs. Pie chart, line graph. Many types are there. This is join bar graph which you are having in 7th standard. This is also one more example of join bar graph. Now we are going to learn simple bar graph. So our 6th chapter, bar graphs. All of you might have seen this graph paper. This is graph paper. See, this big square shows 1 centimeter distance, and in that again small 10 squares are there. That shows millimeter. While drawing graph on that this graph paper, first you have to show axis. This vertical axis is called y-axis. So you can leave here 1 centimeter distance or 2 centimeter distance from left side and can draw vertical line to show y-axis. See here. And then from downside also you can leave 1 or 2 centimeter distance and can draw horizontal axis, that is x-axis. This is x-axis. Where that both axes meet each other, this is called origin. See here in textbook also you can see this is y-axis and this is x-axis. And here on this graph, this bold line shows certain big units, and these faint lines shows smaller units. To draw graph on graph paper, first we have to decide certain scale, suitable scale, and we have to write that scale here in this corner. Now you can see in this graph, here on y-axis number of vehicles, and downside on x-axis names of vehicles it is given. So here names of vehicles are bicycle, motorcycle, rickshaw, then bullock carts. And here scale is written. What is the scale given? On y-axis 1 unit is equal to 5 vehicles. Means here 1 centimeter distance it shows 5 vehicles. Again next 1 centimeter distance it shows 10. Like that 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 it is shown on y-axis. So what it tells, if bicycles we will consider, here it is at 30 it is there. So we can tell bicycles are 30. Motorcycles are 25. See here 25. Then rickshaw. Rickshaws are here on y-axis it shows till here it is 5. And bullock carts are 15. So here wheat production is shown. In 2011, how many quintal wheat was produced? In 2012, how many quintal wheat was produced? So you can see here on x-axis it is given years, and on y-axis production in quintal. And here scale is written. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 quintal. So here it shows 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. So here in 2011, here it is on 40. So we can tell in 2011 40 quintal wheat is produced. Then in 2012 it shows 50 quintal wheat is produced. In 2030 40 quintal again wheat is produced. And same here in 2014 we can see here this line is between 40 and 50, middle here it is on 45. So we can tell here in 2014, 45 quintal wheat is produced by Ajay. So we will learn this practice set 18. Here it is, graph is given. In that graph, temperature is given on y-axis, and here some cities are given: Panchgani, Pune, Chandrapur, Matheran and Nashik. And temperature of their cities, it is given on y-axis. So what is scale given here in this graph? Scale on y-axis, 1 unit is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. So here, see here, 1 degree. So here 1 centimeter it shows 5 degrees Celsius. Then another 1 centimeter shows 5 degrees. Like that, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You have to write scale on y-axis. Now if we read this graph, what we can tell? See, Panchgani's temperature is how much? 25 degree Celsius. Then you can tell temperature of Pune, it is 30 degrees Celsius. Now you can tell temperature of Chandrapur city, it is 35 degrees Celsius. Matheran's temperature, it is 25 degrees Celsius. And temperature of Nashik is 30 degree. So from this graph, you can answer whatever questions are given here. You can answer that questions. So what is the first question? Which city had the highest temperature? As we have seen in graph, you can tell this Chandrapur city has highest temperature. So you can write answer of this question, Chandrapur city. Next question is, sorry, here first question was remain. What data is shown on the vertical and horizontal line? So what you can tell, see here, vertical line, it shows temperature, and horizontal line, it shows cities. So what you can tell answer of this first question? Data on vertical line and horizontal line. Vertical line shows temperature and horizontal line shows city. Now we will see third question. What is third? Which cities had equal maximum temperature? See, from this bar graph you can tell, here it is 25, also 25. Which are that cities? Panchgani and Matheran. So you can tell Panchgani and Matheran have equal, this is minimum temperature. This is minimum temperature. So it is asked in question maximum temperature. So we will see equal maximum. See here, this Pune and Nashik city shows here 30 and 30. Both are having 30. And they are having equal and maximum temperature. So we can tell answer of this question, Pune and Nashik cities have equal maximum temperature. Now fourth question, which cities had a maximum temperature of 30 degree? So here cities Pune and Nashik have maximum temperature of 30 degree. Now last question, what is the difference between maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur? Now you can see here, this is temperature of Panchgani, which is 25 degree, and temperature of Chandrapur, it is 35 degree. See here, till 35 it is there, it is 35 degree. So finding out difference between these two cities, we can subtract that 35 and 25. Answer will be 10 degrees Celsius. So this simple practice set you can solve in notebook also. So take one graph notebook. You can draw this graph in graph notebook and write this question answers in blank paper or in your notebook also. In next video we will see how to draw bar graph, drawing bar graph. Till that, bye bye.